In Singapore, the hustle culture is almost a badge of honor. We are driven, ambitious, but at what cost? The pressure to excel often overshadows our mental health. Many of us juggle long hours at work, the expectations of family, and the relentless pursuit of success. It's a delicate balancing act. Yet, beneath the surface, anxiety and burnout are creeping in. Studies show that nearly 1 in 7 Singaporeans experience mental health issues, often hidden behind smiles and "I'm fine" responses. It's crucial to recognize that taking a break isn't a sign of weakness, it's a step towards resilience. Employers are starting to notice this shift, implementing wellness programs and flexible hours. But change needs to come from all of us. Let's prioritize our mental well-being, embrace vulnerability, and redefine success to include a healthy work-life balance. After all, a fulfilled life is more than just a packed schedule, it's about thriving, not just surviving.